What if the answers to today's problems are hidden in the past?
What if health and safety weren't a privilege, but a promise?
What if vital information was built for every community?
Revolutionary impact begins with a single question, but it doesn't end there.
Because making a difference means following curiosity wherever it leads.
And it means taking action together.
The world's biggest challenges don't belong to one field, they belong to us all. When we break the lines between disciplines, open dialogue between science and society, let the past guide our future. We pursue deeper understanding, search for extraordinary possibilities in everyday questions, and unlock the next awe-inspiring idea, and the next.
True impact happens when curiosity connects, when knowledge drives action and action sparks change.
This is where curiosity leads.
Where big questions drive action.
And bold thinking creates lasting impact.
This is LAS.